And now we got another mystery fruit reveal for you today. So kids, let's get right to it. Why don't you start feeling what might be under the cloth?
Is this two giant guavas?
No, but why don't you use some describing words to tell me what you're feeling?
It feels like a potato.
It's bumpy. It has the little nubs just like the guava.
Wait, it's squishy.
Squishy. Try not to squeeze too hard.
Oh, it must be juicy.
Maybe.
Or else, if you're saying that, then maybe if I squeeze it too hard, I will squeeze out the juice.
Or maybe should I squeeze it?
No, please do not.
There are
kind of
seeds.
this shape. It's kind of like this shape. Does it feel
Okay,
like a lemon?
Kind of
Does it feel like a
lemon-ish.
potato?
Definitely seeds.
Does it feel like a potato?
A
Was
little bit,
one.
other than the squishiness.
I'm trying to see through this thing so I can see if it's yellow.
Well, how about instead of trying to see through it, we just remove the cloth, all right?
Okay.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
It's not. What is this thing?
The horned melon?
No. That
Is this
Is-
a double guava guy?
No, not double guava guy. This is a cactus pear.
Huh?
Yeah.
I've never
I
heard
don't
of
want to have spikes in my mouth.
Oh, I don't think you have to worry about spikes in your mouth and eating this. No, this is a cactus pear.
Is it like a regular pear?
We have yet to find out.
Wow.
Now, what can you tell me about how it feels? How does it feel?
Bumpy, cold.
It's cool, right? It's bumpy. What about the colors? What colors do you see?
Purple, green.
I see, yeah, I
Purple
do.
and
I see
green.
same colors as Elijah. I see brown on the dots.
Yeah, there's brown on each of those little dots.
Is there a tree or a bush that grows out of it?
But we'll have to reveal that later too. All right, so what do you think it's going to taste like?
A green bean.
Well, you know what a good hint is of flavor? Sometimes just smell it. Why don't you smell it? And maybe I'll give you a hint as
It
to what.
smells just like the guava.
Yeah.
Well, that could also be because there's guava juice on the table too.
Yeah.
Perhaps.
Yeah.
So, do you think it's going to taste good or
Just
bad?
recorded the 7.
I don't know. It's impossible to know.
I think it's gonna taste disgusting.
I think it's gonna taste like a guava because it smells like
Which
a
is
guava.
disgusting.
Which, explain to me the flavor. Use describing words. What do you think it will taste like?
How much is it?
Watch the previous mystery fruit first to find out.
No.
All right.
Well, wait.
Disgusting.
Okay, Elijah thinks it's going to taste disgusting. All right, well, how about we take the guessing out of this and let's get ready to try it out.
And get ready to cut some stuff in half.
That's right. Okay, here we go. Hiya! Whoa!
Pomegranate.
It looks like a pomegranate. It looks quite a bit like a
So there are lots of seeds in it, and all you do, the seeds are edible, but the skin is not. But the skin comes off really easy when you cut it. Wait, don't try it yet. That's all right. So, okay, so now that you've seen it, do you think it's gonna taste good?
Good.
Bad? I heard disgusting tasty last time.
Good. It kind of smells
It smells like a smoothie.
Oh, it smells like a smoothie.
I don't know.
It actually smells like a banana.
Okay.
It smells like a
All right.
smoothie.
My hands are
yummy.
getting really. Is this what's staining for like the pomegranate?
Yes, this will stain like a pomegranate.
Okay, then let's
So
just
be
finish this
careful.
up quickly before my hands.
Okay,
get
just
more
wait. All right, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, Celia, eat one of the slices. You don't want to accidentally eat the skin. Yeah, seeds are good. You can eat the seeds.
Ah, it's so hard. Not bad.
So, yep.
It's okay.
All right, so who is okay with Operation Cactus Pear?
It's good.
Thumbs up, and then a mediocre from Mr. Elijah.
Mediocre is medium.
Mediocre is medium.
So good.
It's so good. All right. Well, that is cactus.
It's like a watermelon.
Oh, it tastes like a watermelon?
Ah, she changed it to a thumbs down.
Oh no.
Seeds are too crunchy.
Okay, well what if we strained out the seeds?
Then be back to medium.
Okay, so medium without seeds, thumbs down with seeds. Too much work. Got it. All right, so that's another mystery fruit. Cactus pear. And we'll be coming. Success! Yay! And we'll be back with more mystery fruit on Homeschool Arcade. Bye!
Bye!
Yummy, yummy, yummy!
So we really have a lot of great information coming this way. And if you're interested in this topic or any of our other videos, please click subscribe and the bell so you can be notified as videos are coming out. And feel free to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. And let's get to it.